Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram story. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then when you're on your feed, let's create a brand new story. Let's go ahead and click on the top left corner and hit the plus sign. Then I want you to pick pictures. Let's say we're gonna upload this one. This is going to be our new story, okay? So the first thing we want to do, we want to click on text and we want to mention the Ferrari. Why? Because this is a Ferrari. Let's change the color. Let's put it red like a Ferrari, make it a little bigger, right? Or maybe like that. Good, now we have the Ferrari tag over here. Now what we want to do as well, we want to add the location. So this will be, let's say, Monza, Italy, right? Have the location. Now let's add some music, guys. All you gotta do is to click on the note sign on the top right corner. Whatever music you want to pick. Remember, this is all for you page on the music. This is what is currently popular. If you don't like it, if you want to go more generic, you want to click on browse, the section next to it. This is everything filtered by genre, hip hop, pop, rap, whatever. On the top search bar, you can actually look for an artist or particular song that you're looking for. When you finish, just click add and we're done. Want to press the arrow on the side, and then the last but not least, of course, you can share the story publicly with everyone or just with your close friends. You see the difference? Also, you can actually send the story to your friends, or you can send them as a message as well. But this is how you add music to your Instagram story. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more